Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, Assistant Professor in RPIIT Pharmacy, and in this video I will describe about the global warming. What is global warming? It is the increase in average temperature of the earth near surface area and oceans. Most of the observed temperature increase is caused by increased concentration of greenhouse gases. The major greenhouse gases are water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane and ozone. And this is the diagrammatic picture of global warming. And this is the diagrammatic picture of global warming in which the greenhouse gases causes the greenhouse effect due to which there is global warming persists in our environment. What are the causes of global warming? The emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. in the atmosphere. The major carbon dioxide gas is the major gases which is responsible for the global warming, and 20% by methane and nitrous oxide. The carbon dioxide is the major source of the power plants and burning of fossil fuel for the purpose of electricity generation, and 20% of carbon dioxide emitted in the atmosphere from burning of gasoline in the engine of vehicles. And methane is also another gas which is more than 20 times as effective as carbon dioxide in the trapping heat in the atmosphere. It is obtained from the sources such as rice paddies, flatulence, bacteria in box, and fossil fuel manufacture. And other gas is the nitrous oxide. The main source of nitrous oxide include nylon and nitric acid production in cars with catalytic converters and the use of fertilizer in agriculture. So these are the main source of greenhouse global warming. And what is the another cause is deforestation. The cutting and burning of forests for the purpose of residence and industrialization is major cause of global warming. Annual greenhouse emission by sectors are industry sector only 16.8%, while the major sector is the power station which emits about 21.3% of greenhouse gases in environment, and another is transportation fuels, agriculture byproducts. And carbon dioxide is the major gas in the greenhouse emissions, methane and nitrous oxides. What are the consequences? The effect of global warming is increase the average temperature of the earth, alteration in the ecology, including an increasing sea levels and modifying the quantity and pattern of rainfall, boost the occurrence and concentration of severe climates such as floods, heat waves, tornado and twists. Glacier melting, lesser summer stream flows, glacial and barren ridges have emerged. It is extending the distribution of moisture due to the increasing humidity level and their frequent growth in warmer atmosphere, and affect the marine life also. So this is the global warming effects, causes, and in our environment effects. Thank you.